It's Miram Padaragan and welcome to my channel. And so today, guys, look what we have here. We have pampano fish. Magluluto tayo today ng steamed pampano, and syempre, our ingredients is spring onion or onion leaves, and the ginger or luya, and ang hindi nawawala sa aking listahan, tanglad or lemongrass, and of course we have here the onion. Actually, guys, ayan. And okay, so let's make our steamed fish. So paano siya gawin? Let's do this. Okay, first we have a plate here, and let's put, actually kamay ko na, malinis naman yung kamay ko. Spread our ingredients here like that. Well, and our just leave the others for the and let's put our let's put our lemongrass on the plate and our spring onion like that, and our pampano fish. But we have to of course, to make the fish delicious, stuff it with a garlic, a ginger. I know it's not a garlic, it's onion. Sorry, guys. It's ginger and a lemongrass. So, para lumabas talaga yung aroma niya. And, ayan, that's it. And that's what I do. Pero, hindi natin nauubusin to para later. May toppings tayo. So, ganyan lang siya. Diba? See? And we're going to use soy sauce. Light soy sauce, guys. Konting soy sauce. Siguro mga, ayun, okay na yun, okay na yun. 2 cups or 2 tablespoon. Yeah, just estimated it, but not too much. Okay? Basta meron lang siyang lasa, and let's put it on our steamer. And ayan na, guys. So, nasa ano na siya. Meron na ako doon prepared na water. So, lalagay na natin doon. Let's go. So, ayan, guys. Meron na akong naka-prepared na water. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating fish. Dahan-dahan lang. Yan. O, diba? So, ayan na siya. Antayin na lang natin yan na kumulo. So, takpan na natin. Siguro mga 10 to 15 or 20 minutes. Okay na yan. Ayan na, guys. Ayan siya, as you can see. Diba? Kumukulo na siya, but it's not yet cooked. Actually, guys, yung iba simple lang but we have our own taste. So, kanya-kanya tayo ng taste kung ano yung gusto nating ihalo, ano gusto nating ilagay sa mga gusto nating kainin. So, ayun, I put some garlic, ginger and lemongrass. So, that's it. And para sa akin kasi it's delicious eh. So, takpan ulit natin. Pinakita ko lang, guys. Ayan, pinakita ko lang talaga. Let's wait until it's done. So, ayan na, guys. Ang ating fish, steamed fish natin. Ayan. Kita nyo. I think it's already done. Hindi ko siya sa smoke. Mausok kasi siya. So, ayan. Hindi nakikita dahil sa usok. But, as you can see, so, ahaunin ko muna. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ayan siya. Luto na siya. So, hainin na natin. Mainit lang. Wait lang. So, ayan na guys. Nahain ko na yung ating fish and suinit. Ngayon, okay. Lalagay na natin ang ating. So, syempre, dahil hindi naman natin kakainin tong dahon ng ayan. Isit aside na lang natin, o diba? Kasi panglasa lang naman talaga siya. You see that, guys? You see that? Nagmamantika yung loob. It's juicy. So, ayan. Ilalagay na natin yan. Yung toppings niya. And that's it. My steamed pampano and alarampadora. And guys, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo para sa upcoming videos. And thank you guys for watching. Bye! Ayan, kainan na tayo. See ya! Pero titikman ko muna. Hihiya! Titikman ko muna siya. A little bit lang. See that? Oh, it's perfect. Saktong-sakto yung lasa. Ang sarap. The best. So, kakain na tayo. So, bye! Kakain na kami. See you. Thank you. Love you all.